Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we are here for another severe weather breakdown. Now today, we're going to be talking about an upcoming severe weather outbreak that's going to bring damaging winds, large hail, and maybe even a tornado or two to a certain portion of the United States. So let's go ahead and get right into it, starting off with the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today. Today we have a marginal risk of severe weather across portions of the south-central United States. We do have a tornado threat for today. If you're in that green area, you have a 2% chance to see a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. So do have a tornado action plan in place today if you are in that green region there. That mainly encompasses portions of eastern Oklahoma, extreme northeast Texas, extreme northwest Arkansas, and just a little sliver of southwestern Missouri. We do have a damaging wind threat for today. If you're in that brown area, you have a 5% chance to see some damaging winds of 60 miles an hour or higher, so make sure to look out for that. Same thing goes with the hail threat. If you're in that brown area, you have a 5% chance to see hail of 1 inch or larger today in your town. Now, moving on to what the models are showing for this event, we're going to start off by looking at the HRRR model. We can see that we already do have some lingering thunderstorms across parts of southern Arkansas and northeastern Texas, but these are going to kind of fizzle out and move into portions of northwestern Mississippi by the early evening time hours. Now, by 6 p.m., we may see a few little supercells pop up near the Oklahoma-Arkansas state line, and those could produce some lightning and some heavy rain, but overall, the real threat doesn't really get going until around midnight, where the HRRR actually likes this idea of this event being a lot further east than the SPC is saying. They're saying that we're mainly going to be looking at thunderstorm activity across portions of the mid-Mississippi Valley, portions of northwest Tennessee, western Kentucky, southeast Missouri, northeast Arkansas, but maybe a few lingering supercells and thunderstorms in parts of extreme northeast Oklahoma, and that's going to kind of remain the same in parts of northwestern Missouri. By early tomorrow morning, by 7 a.m., a lot of this starts to turn into just a big cluster of heavy rain along the Ohio River Valley, and by tomorrow afternoon, this is for the most part starting to wipe out. We may have a lingering marginal risk put in place tomorrow for portions of northeast Texas and southwest Arkansas if these supercells manage to do anything, but for right now, things are not looking too intense. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at what another model is saying for this event. So this is the NAM model here. We can see that, again, we've got those lingering thunderstorms across parts of northeast Texas and southern Arkansas, but those are going to wipe out pretty quickly. But by midnight, once again, that same area there, the mid-Mississippi Valley back down into parts of northeast Oklahoma is where we're going to be watching for thunderstorms that could produce damaging winds and large hail, and maybe an isolated tornado. Now, the NAM model here, interestingly enough, is saying that this threat could linger a little bit further to the north as well. It likes the idea of some supercells even trying to get going into portions of central Illinois, so we'll kind of see what happens with that. But again, I think the greater threat stays down into parts of southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, and western Kentucky there, so that'll mainly be the spot that we watch. And again, things kind of die out for a little bit, but by tomorrow afternoon, we may still see some lingering showers across portions of Texas. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please do be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in. We might have a live stream covering this event if things do get intense enough early enough, but again, if things don't really get going until like midnight, we're probably not going to have any coverage out for this event. So again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.